Actually, data consumption is as it is on increase, and the general interest that's coming in AI, ML, and especially the Gen AI piece. Now, this will actually drive the bandwidth consumption to exponential level. So, in a way, this will drive more and more consumption of bandwidth. And if you look at all the different tools, AI tools that everybody is offering, for the end user or the end customer, it can be a B2B or a consumer, for them to access these tools from anywhere and everywhere, you need that kind of bandwidth. We are talking about simple text inputs that are there currently, but this is changing. Inputs are going to change from shapes, various shapes, various colors, images, videos. Imagine the amount of bandwidth required to actually carry these inputs to respective clouds or data clouds. Now, the 5G network can be a perfect conduit for these end users, can be B2B or B2C, to be able to send these information on a connected network from anywhere. So, in fact, 5G can be a catalyst, right? Which can actually help drive this consumption and add on to more use cases as we go ahead. So that's how I think this will transition. Now, if we say that we need innovation only for 5G, it would not be a complete thing. If you look at how networks have traversed from 2G, 3G, 4G, our operators and OEMs like us who have been deploying network with them have continuously transitioned and actually transformed the network, right? Now, if you look at the challenge that 5G brings, it brings the demand of exponential bandwidth. So this is something that would be kind of a big stepping stone for operators as well as the OEMs. Now, for giving a proper ROI or for giving, let's say, a good end user experience, what is actually required? It's required to deliver high capacity, resilient bandwidth at a low cost. It's required to kind of deliver, let's say, adaptability in the network. It's required to deliver convergence to save cost, and also required to deliver, let's say, an service-aware automation framework and a similar service-aware network management system. If you look at Ciena has been consistently doing this with operators in India and globally as well, where we have been offering the highest capacity per wave as well as per fiber till date. And what you will see next that's coming in our future platforms, which is WaveLogic 6, we continue to offer that. If you talk about our platform of Wave Router, I think we provide a perfect blend of IP and optical synergy, where within a converged platform, we can offer both flavors of services without compromising on end user experience. And our adaptive optical as well as routing and switching portfolio, which is always service and network aware, gets very well coupled with these capacities and convergence. So, in short, Ciena has been doing this from time and time again, and we have been helping our operators to deliver all these services without causing much compromise on the experience and at a better ROI. If you look at Ciena, we are present in almost top 85% of service providers, content providers, and various other networks, enterprises. And we have present since a very long time. Now, in this time period, we have come across different network requirements, different network scenarios, different challenges that Ciena has actually seen. Now, Ciena did not do this innovation in one day. We have had the gradual experience where we have actually learned all these, I will not say nuisance, but challenges that operators face in their networks. So all our products that you see are actually based or designed based on the inputs or the experience that we have gathered with different operators. So that's one key takeaway, that Ciena also internally learns and kind of has a repertoire of data that we collect from various networks in various countries. So that's number one. So this is all based on actual experience and not just bookish knowledge. Now, if you talk about use case, again, the perfect use case that you see in networks today, right, and which will be the most challenging for most of the operators, is kind of to have that real-time awareness, real-time analytics, which which we are offering with our management suite, Blue Planet as well as Navigator, right, where we offer this to our end customers so that they know how the network is growing, they know where services are in the network. Simple example of a self-healing network, right? We have been actually deploying predictive self-healing network in India since ages. And it is because of the awareness our network has, we've been able to sustain 30 to 40 or 50 fiber cuts at the same time in a network. So this is a key takeaway that actually I would want to highlight, is that Ciena has always innovated based on experience for deploying network in various scenarios, various countries, and especially challenging environments as well. So that's one use case that comes top of my mind.